The 1000RR's reputation as a razor-sharp superbike has been progressively dulled over the past few years as it came under siege from the electronically equipped track terrors from Europe and, more recently, its deadly home enemy of Yamaha. However, what this 1000RR does have on its side is that it was born well. When it was originally released in 2008 as the replacement to the underseat-exhaust 1000RR that ran from 2004 to 2007, it was nothing short of a revelation. It instantly made most other superbikes feel old. It was short, nimble and changed direction almost by osmosis. Chassis feel was infused into this Model 1000RR's DNA from the beginning, meaning you'll get plenty of warning before it's decided you've had too much fun and catapults you into next week. The 1000RR has barely changed since that 2008 debut. In 2012 it got Showa's big piston fork and the balance-free shock, new engine mapping, a digital dash that looks like it was swiped from the first-generation Nintendo Game Boy and a facelift with different headlights and colors, but it was essentially the same bike.